你好, welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My first language is Mandarin Chinese. In this video, I provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to write in traditional Chinese characters, and also character decompositions. In each radical series, I'll start with the ones with fewer stroke orders and gradually getting more. There will be 2 characters in each video, and I'll explain them one by one and show you related vocabularies. Chinese characters have their meanings, and when they are combined, it will create another meaning. As a result, I'll present them together. In this video, you'll learn the most commonly used radical, 草, which means grass. I'll also introduce you to how to say and write 苔, moss, and 苦, bitter. Besides, please make sure to stay to the end because I'll give you bonus content in this video. A Chinese radical, we call it 部首, is an indexing component in Chinese characters. Radicals relate to the meaning or the sound of the characters, and we look them up in the dictionary. When we equip knowledge of Chinese radicals, it will allow us to understand the Chinese characters easier. The radical 草 is in 3 forms. 草 looks like 2 tridents, and a trident is the weapon of Poseidon, the god of the sea, in classical mythology. When the 2 tridents, 草, is on the top of characters, the shape changes to 2 tiny crosses, 草. 草 and 草 look different, but they are the same 草 and means grass. 草 is also a pictograph. When we write grass in traditional Chinese, we use 草. Okay, without further ado, let's begin with 苔 and 苦. 苔 means moss, and there are 2 elements. The upper part, 草, grass, and the lower part, 苔. Tai is the phonetic of Tai. Tai can be a stage or platform, and you may imagine the Tai, moss, grows all over the surface. We can add 海, which means ocean, with Tai to make it 海苔, literally sea moss. Let's guess what that is. It's seaweed. Let me also explain 海 a bit. The left part of 海 is 水, and it means water. 水 is also a commonly used radical, and I'll introduce it in my future videos. As we know, 海, ocean, relates to 水 without a doubt. The right part, 每, means each. Ku means bitter, and there are 2 elements. The upper part, 草, grass, and the lower part, 谷. Gu is the phonetic of ku. Gu means ancient. We can add 瓜 which means melon, with 苦 to make it 苦瓜, and 苦瓜 is bitter melons. How do we describe the tastes in Chinese? We say 酸, 甜, 苦, 辣, and they are sour, sweet, bitter, and spicy. Since there are so many flavors, so we also use 酸, 甜, 苦, 辣 to describe the ups and the downs in our lives. It's our first 成语 and 成语 are a type of traditional Chinese idiomatic expression, most of which consists of 4 characters. I hope you like this information. Yay! It's the end of this week, and we learned many characters and phrases. Let's check them again. They are 台, 苦. In the next video, I'll introduce you to fruit and vegetable. Stay tuned and see you again soon. Bye bye.